Hi, I'm Daniel, and we're here at Siemens, introducing you today to our UX transformation with SAP Fiori.
You know, we have a couple of strategic pillars within Siemens. We are following our strategy to use technology and create technology with purpose.
We wanted to embrace the new technology and make life easier for our employees and more intuitive.
The goal was basically to establish SAP Fiori in our end-user community as the new SAP user experience, especially enabling them having a single entry point for different SAP products, also having more personalization capabilities, personalize their homepage and adopt it how they need it in their daily life.
With Fiori, I'm able to create new tiles, separate tiles as my favorites, change the color, have a different feel, have a different look, which actually attracts me to use Fiori on a daily basis.
So we have, on the one hand, having the UX developers and also a bit the skill of the designers within the UX team. But on the other hand, it's also important to have like the soft skills for moderating and for getting in contact with the end users and being able to translate the user's needs really to the technical part.
The challenge we had was in particular the expert know-how that a lot of people had accommodated over the years.
As you can imagine, if someone has been working with SAP SAP GUI over the last 20 years, knowing exactly his or her 20 transaction codes, then this user really, it's not so, let's say, beneficial of having an app.
To increase the user acceptance, we started to conduct user interviews to understand the way the users are working, the pain points, the challenges that they are having. We included end users right from the beginning for designing the launchpad to make sure we are delivering the content that they need. And finally, we were constantly sharing knowledge among key user communities who would then spread this knowledge to broader audience, because we have more than 2,500 users and it's not that easy to reach all of them.
Benefits are definitely that an end user only has to authenticate once against the system. They just have, based on their roles, the necessary applications and just can enter them from any device. They have a seamless integration across SAP products without even knowing that this is happening in the background.
It has some purpose. It's not just technology, new technology for the sake of implementing new technology. It's done purposely and it helps our business, it helps our customer and the user.